Hi, today I'm going to show you how to convert a Notion form into PDF files on automation. For this demonstration, I'm going to use oil and gas lease form, which I have over here. As you can see, there are certain fields information added to this particular form. When I fill in all the details in this form and they click on submit, the user will get a response in this responses tab over the database. I've already gone ahead and I've created two entries in this particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files completely in automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output, which will help me produce the PDFs on automation with the help of a Google document and a Notion database. So Notion database is where I have all the information already added, and a Google document is what I'll be using to edit to convert to PDF files on automation. I can create any document with this use case such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that I'm planning to generate on everyday basis through this automation tool. You can click on create PDF and simply sign in, and then we will see how the remaining steps of the automation will work to generate the PDF files. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here, and then we will see how the automation will work out. So the very first thing which we need to do is we need to add the Notion database which we already have on our account to start generating the PDF. After that, we need to connect the document corresponding to the database. And finally, we want to map all the fields of the database one by one onto the document to generate a PDF file. So let's click on add Notion database, and we need to add the database from the Notion selection screen that is available. So I will copy the database title which we have over here. So let me copy the title and I will put it inside the selection screen window which I'm getting over here. So click on select pages and put the same inside the search pages field over here. You should be able to see the form appear over here. Click on this and the form gets added up instantly. So whenever you're looking to add any database or a form, simply put it inside the search pages field and then add it. Do not select the same from the top level pages that you see over here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database will not be added up correctly. So always put it inside the search pages field over here and then add it. Alongside that, if your database is connected with other databases through relation properties, so let's say my oil and gas lease is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible in the PDF file that will be generated. So make sure you're adding all the connected databases that we are using inside the search pages so as to see the document with the relation and roller values. Click on allow access, and now you should get access to the database which you're looking to use to generate the PDF file. So it will take a while to load the database over here. If it is not showing up, simply click on reload database and the database should be visible in the drop down over here. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database. So if you use reload database, you should be able to see the database appear in the drop down right over here. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the properties of the particular form appear over here one below the other. Next is adding a document to this database. So click on add Google document. If you already have a oil and gas lease template file available, so let's say I already have the document available, I will go with an existing document and I will choose a document from the list of documents view if I already have the template file. Since I do not have any template available in this case, I will just go with a new demo document where it will instantly create me a new document with every placeholder automatically added up. So you can see it has created me this document with every placeholder instantly created right inside the document. So we have the lessee name added inside double curly brackets. We have the lesser name added inside double curly brackets. Primary term, property description. All these fields are coming from the database that you see over here. So when the PDF will be created, the lessee name field will be replaced with the lessee name value that you see over here. Similarly, the lesser name will be replaced with the lesser name value that you see over here, and so on for all the other fields. It will be mapped and replaced with the values. If you want to manually add any property onto the document, so let's say you want to add property description, I will just simply click on copy. I will go to the document wherever I want to add it, and I will just use Control V or Command V on my keyboard so that it will copy paste the property or add directly onto the document. Let's say I want to add a received by field, just click on copy and go to the document wherever you want to use it, and just simply use Control V or Command V and you can copy paste the property right inside the document. So this will help you create live mapping directly inside the document wherever you need it, and you can simply use Control V or Command V on your keyboard and you can copy paste all the properties inside the document instantly. So my placeholders are all mapped up. The next step is I want to define how the PDF file should be named. So I want to use the column of lessee name to generate the PDF file. So all my PDFs should be named as per the lessee name column. So I will select lessee name from the drop down over here, and now my PDFs will be named as per this particular column. If you go to the database and scroll to the right side, you should be able to see two additional columns, generate PDF and PDF file. If any of the records are marked as ready to generate under generate PDF column, it will be converted to PDF and it will be stored in the PDF file column right over here. So make sure you set your records as ready to generate, whichever you're looking to convert to PDF file. And then click on download PDF. Once you click on download PDF, you should be able to see the PDF getting downloaded onto the downloads folder, as well as it will be saved right inside the database. So you can see it has started generating this document. Let me click on this and I should be able to see the document with all the placeholders automatically mapped. So we have every value of the database automatically mapped onto the document as we expected. Let's open up the second document and we should be able to see the same pattern repeat over here as well. So here also all the placeholders have been mapped correctly with the database values. So we created two documents where all the fields were automatically mapped with the database values as per our requirement. Now if you want to automate this process entirely, you can click on setup Notion automation, and this will create an automation to generate the PDF forever, which means now you do not need to set up anything right inside this PDF output dashboard. The moment a user clicks on submit and a new entry appears over here, you can simply mark the record as ready to generate, and it will help you create a PDF right inside the database over here. This is super useful and helpful to create PDFs automation, as in this process you do not need to use PDF output dashboard to set up everything from scratch, and all the documents get instantly generated right directly inside the Notion database. And that will use the same mapping that you would have defined inside the document earlier, and the PDF will be created right inside the database for a use case. So this helps you generate PDFs 24/7, 365 days on automation mode. And the moment you add a new entry, just mark it as ready to generate, and the PDF will be created for you right over here. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful to you. If you still have any questions on this, use this chat bubble and send me a message with whatever queries you're having. I'll be happy to answer you on any queries. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you have the contact window available, where I will be able to guide you after I receive a message on the issues and we can resolve the same. You can even book a free demo session where I will showcase the entire demonstration of the product from start till the end and help you generate a PDFs and automation for a use case. And you can see it has started processing this particular record and it will soon be converted to PDF right over here, which is what the beauty of this automation tool is, as it creates the document instantly inside the database. So that is it.